Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock Stripe account 2026. First, go to the Stripe website and click on Get Started. Enter your email, full legal name, and create a strong password. It's a good idea to use a professional business email. Next, check your inbox and verify your email to activate your dashboard. Without this step, you won't be able to continue. Once inside, Stripe may ask you to verify your business. Make sure your website is live and clearly shows what you're selling. Coming soon pages can lead to rejection. Now, explore your dashboard. You'll find sections like Home, Payments, Customers, Products, and Balance, where you can manage everything. To start accepting payments, you'll need to complete identity verification. Upload a clear photo of your ID and take a selfie. This helps keep your account secure. After that, enable two-factor authentication using an app like Google Authenticator for added security. Next, add your bank account so you can receive payouts. Enter your details carefully to avoid any issues. You can also set up tax settings and optional features like Stripe Climate if you want. Finally, review all your information and click Submit. Verification usually takes up to 48 hours. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.